All right, and now this is the end of the day or the end of the week. I mean, you could really go. I've gone 400 or 500 photos on the flash drive before I put it onto the server. But I'm ready to put images on the server. So I'm going to go to, and I'm on the computer, by the way, that has the Python loaded onto it. So you've got to kind of pick that one that you keep going back to. Either BTC or myself will do that. All right, so we're going to go now into photo transfer, the folder photo transfer, and this says moving photos. Okay, so now I'm ready to move photos. I'm going to actually open that program up, and it's a Python program, so it's going to have this screen right there. There we go. Now it clicked up, and I'm going to, let me move this like this because the images are going to be down here. Now this is the thing that you got to remember is the root directory, and this is my son working in computers here, and I clicked on that. I don't know if you can see that turned purple. That's going to be the one with the images on it. Okay, so let me go to, do I still have that? Yeah. And that's going to be the E drive, and we want to put them in the S drive, okay, the student drive. So, and you'll have to put capital E, and then I have to put the colon there, the 2 dots, holding the shift down. And then I click on that, and that turns blue. And I'm going to do S and colons like that. And then I'm going to hit move pictures, and we should get samples of that coming. Yeah, there it goes. And give it a second. It probably, if I had 500 pictures, it'd probably take 20 minutes. In this case, 1 of 20, and you can see the numbers there, which is kind of nice. Okay, so I did 2 of Christopher's there, and 3 of 20. Not super fast, but as far as we're concerned, in the old way, I used to open each one of those images up and move them over. And each of them up, this is much faster. And of course, I can go away. I can go home if it's several hundred. And it depends on the root directory. You see some go faster than the others. But it should just keep on going until we are done. We've got 13 and 20 moved over. 14. 15, 16, because they're fifth grade, they go to 5th grade, and as soon as they find it, they go to the next one. 6th grade takes a little longer because it goes through the 5th grade files looking for those numbers first. But still, like 100% faster and easier than when I opened up each of those photos and put them in the kids' folders for them. So that's 20 of 20. So we are done. I am going to... at this point, we can stop the program, go ahead and exit out of this Python program, and I'm going to go down to the S drive, and we are going to go to 5th grade, and we're going to look up some of those numbers. Okay, so here's Christopher's number. His is 085373. So I'm going to come down here, 085373, and I double click on that. I have 2 photos. One is her, and one is that second photo. All put in their folder form. There's a lot of numbers on here. I should explain that. The first 6 are the important ones. That's his student ID number. The next is actually the timestamp. It is not correct. It says June the 6th. This is not June the 6th, 2016, and it wasn't 5 o'clock in the afternoon or in the morning when it took the photos. But that it doesn't matter. We just gave it a timestamp, so each one of these would be different. Since I did that like 2 minutes later or a minute later, that's why we got 1956. If they do it within the same minute, if they're really fast like that, it's okay because we're down to the second. And they can't possibly do it in the second because our timer is here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete those since those aren't really his works of art. But they got successfully moved. We'll go to another one real quick. Libby is 081521. Just back up here, 08 1521. And sure enough, there are 2 photos, probably my hand. Yeah, I took a lot of photos of my hand. The kids will go, what is in there? Your folder. Okay, so I'll go ahead and delete those. But we were successful. Thing of Anna. Thank you.